to the beat, y'all.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just
Superstar, period.
Periods.
Point blank.
What you mean? We locking and loading this shit. Number one
They don't know,
syndicate.
they about they finna motherfucking know.
Period.
Let's go.
Boss
Let me
lady.
tell you, when Stormy come in your life, the shit is an upgrade. Let's just not even play.
Superstar. What's up?
Is
Wow.
How them carrots looking in the sun?
Girl, listen, I was in the kitchen and they
Woo.
was listening, girl. I swear I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm talking
Mm.
about it was doing the twinkle thing that you be seeing
Ooh,
from the
yeah.
kitchen, girl. From the girl, that watch was twinkling little star for the fucking kitchen. I swear I ain't lying to you.
that? A little TV in
It was doing that little
bit
thing, that little shit. That little
take a hand, you got a free pass.
Girl, stop moving that bob, honey.
Where, girl?
Girl.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh,
But there's a lot of reality TV that's fake. This is like real life. This is like sometimes I wake up like, is this real? Like I woke up this morning, I was like my boyfriend was like, "Are you excited?" I was like, "I'm excited," but it's like think that the desires of my heart is happening. And I learned a lot about manifestation through Coach, you know. So I knew something big was going to happen. And it was on my 2020 list of something big happening on syndicated on my 2020 list, right? I said, I'm gonna go, you water.
Bitch. And then when you going back, keep it straight. Come on. Come on. Wait. Yeah. But go keep your head back. Put your head back a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Keep going. Now grab it.
About to normalize working out for slim people because I never realized how much of a problem it was for slim people to be in the gym. No, we're not automatically in shape. I'm tired of seeing people in the comments talking about what you working out for. For longevity, for my livelihood, for my health, okay? And because it makes my butt look good. So, with that being said, I'm about to go back into the gym, show y'all some more workouts for the people who are inquiring, you know, for all my people who slim thick, trying to shape up, trying to get a little more, or you just trying to tone yourself up. There's nothing wrong with it. Don't let nobody tell you anything different. You don't have to be overweight to be in the gym, okay? And yes, I feel different. I feel great. I'm seeing results. All that extra stuff. Y'all were posting different questions and stuff on my last video, honey. So I said I'm going to continuously do it because it's a part of my lifestyle now. Anyways, let's go ahead and get straight to the gym. Whew, I hate it here. Anyways, okay, so you already know we starting off with a light stretch so that way I do not strain any muscles. Because if I do, I will sue everybody in here because I can always use the extra money. And peep the gloves. Your girl is a whole gym guru. You get the point, right? Okay, let's begin. Okay, so if I had to keep it 101% honest, I'm going to say my trainer be making this stuff up as he go along.
What's going on? Y'all see that vibe?
Get the drip up. Get the drip up.
What you be here?
Ooh, turn to the back. Show them something in the back. Oh, they know the vibes.
Ow.
Yes.
What? What you mean?
Oh, yes. Stare at this.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hand.
Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm sitting here explaining to my friend why she should start a business and head over to the Boss Palace. I made some key points, so I'm about to read these to you and hopefully they can motivate you like I'm trying to motivate her, okay? So number 1 is stop downing yourself. That's number 1. Number 2 is head over to the Boss Palace subscription service. It's the best subscription service that is out, okay? Number 3, is go over there, find out what you like, what you want to sell, how you want to sell it. Go over there and do that. Okay? Number 4, stop doubting yourself. Scared money don't make no money. Okay? Stop doubting yourself. Don't worry about what could not happen. Worry about what could happen. And what could happen is you could be the top seller in the world. So go ahead, start your business and tell them Jania sent you. Use my code.